Got a DPLS panic here. Just want to catch it on tape. I'm only going to paper trade it because these dips haven't been acting how I like them to, so I'm just going to paper trade this one. I do have to admit the last couple ones that I did trade, they had bad news. I think one was Fannie Mae. That one burned me a few times, and then this other one burned me. I think that one had bad news as well, so we'll see. But I'll announce when I'm ready to buy it. I'm going to pretend to start off with, as long as if I think it's above 12, I'm going to buy 20,000 shares. But we'll see. If it goes lower than 12, I'm going to look to buy 30, 40,000. Paper trade, of course. And I'll look to scale out in thirds versus obviously low a day. See how it works. The only issue with paper trading sometimes is with these dips is you might not get out if you wait till a low day cracks, but that's kind of the risk there you have to take anyway, so you have to be prepared for a little bit of slippage with whatever size you're trying to take. Starting to stack, if we lose 12.6 here, I would want to buy. Probably set my buy at 12.5. Yeah, so I'd want to buy over 12.6 here for sure. Yeah, so I'd be long 12.3. Let's just say that 20,000 shares at 12.3, and the risk would be 12. Just trying to hold. So I'd be up some here. So I'm in at 12.3 with 20,000 shares. Paper trade. And I'm looking to sell 6,300 share lots as I think it's turning. If we lost 12.87, I would sell 6,300 at 12.8. Sold first, third, 6,300 at 12.8. Let's see what the math is saying on that. Oh, what the hell? 12, dude, I didn't put the fucking times 63. It'll be 31 plus 31 there. Potential to add if it holds a higher low for sure. 12.88, I'll buy. Yeah, so right there, I'm back in another 20,000 shares at 13, risking 12.6. So add 20K at 13, risk 12.6 there. So 26, 30, 34,000 divided by 17,000. So we'll be looking to sell 17,000 into the next turn. And that gives me a 12.6 average. So if we were to lose 13.49, I'd sell 13.4. 17,000. Pushing. I wish I was in this trade. I'd be up a lot. We lose 16.8. I lost 17,000. 13.7. If we lose that. 13.8. If we lose that. This trade's working out beautifully. Wow. I'd be up almost, I'd think, something 500 right now. My main target is VWAP. So if it hits 16, it'd be all up. No reason to sell at all yet. Just watching the bidders just keep going up. I would probably, yeah, if we lost 14.55, I would want to. 14.65, I would probably sell 17,000 at 14.6. So I'd be out 17,000 shares from a 12.6 average at 14.6. Out 17K at 14.6 from 12.6 average. And that would net me 340. So plus 340 there. And I still have 17,000 shares left from a 13.9 average. Well, that's going to break 15 on this. It looks like it's going to on a 1 minute micro pullback. You don't see those. This thing is so strong. Definitely going to have to try the next one. Hope it just works like this. This is really, really great study material. And exactly how I would have traded it in a hot market. And it's trading exactly how a hot market would have worked. It's beautiful. This is AA plus 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 right here. So my last target is 16, but I wouldn't just sell at 16. Like if it started to act troublesome at 16, sure. But if it wants to just fly through 16, well then you just gotta let it fly through 16. Obviously. Our stop is 15.27, 17,000 shares. And I'd say I'd probably get filled at 15 if I lost 15.27. Now it's 15.3. If I get filled at 15.10. 15.37, 15.4 is going to be the stop now. Now let's say 15.2 would be the fill. So 15.45 is the stop here. And I'll get a 15.2 fill. Alright, so I'm out there at 15. We'll just say 15.2 for slippage purposes here. So out last 17,000 shares at 15.2 from, well, if it spikes from here, I'll definitely consider about 15.4. If we lose 15.4, then I'll just still go with 15.2. So we'll just say 15.2 was our fill. From 12.9. Well, really, we can just say 13, to be honest. 17,000 times 0.022. 374. So let's see what I would have made total on this trade. The first sale was 6,300 shares of my 20,000 shares for a small gain of $31. But it reduced my risk and made me more confident to be able to add on the dip. That's the key part. Because once I sold, it didn't just panic. It held and showed me that strength that gave me that confidence to add back into not just the shares I sold, but pretty much double the size. So yeah, I added back through 13. And I believe I would have got filled there because I was adding, I would have set my entry at 13 as it was curling here at 12.6. As I saw it hold 12.6 and push 12.75, I would have hit 13 for sure. So anyways, we got the 31 there. Then I sold 17,000 shares at 14.6 from 12.6, which gave me plus 340, which takes me to 371. Then I sold my last remaining 17,000 shares from 13, really probably 12.9, but we'll just say 13 at 15.2, which gave me plus 376, which equals a total of $750 on a play that if I would have lost probably, max slippage, probably would have lost 200 with 20,000 shares to start off with. So nearly 4-to-1 odds there with max slippage. Assuming we didn't get max slippage and we were to sell at break even, then obviously the risk reward there is really big. But I like to be realistic and say that there could have been some slippage if 12 would have got taken out there. So I hope you all appreciate this. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't make that trade today. I lost down like $58 on the day. And then I saw this panic and just wanted to paper trade it. And, that gives me the confidence to take the next one. And I'll just take it small and try to play it just like this. So, like I said, hope you all enjoyed it. All right, peace out.